Hello, Online Movement Academy. We have created the content for you so you can practice in your own free time from the comfort of your home, of your garden, wherever you can find the internet connection. You can practice from any device, your smartphone, your iPad, or maybe your computer. So we have created some aerial yoga teacher training online, which you can learn within 1 week if you want to. You can even learn it within 1 weekend. What you need to do, you just go on the website flowmove.eu and you will find the teacher training under Online Movement Academy. We provide with a lot of free content on our YouTube, and we also live stream on social media. We work within mind-body practices such as aerial yoga, different kinds of yoga, Pilates, dance. We incorporate every single movement into our practices to feel healthy, steady, balanced, open, and strong. We are going to provide with different teacher trainings, so just tune in, stay in touch. Hopefully, we're gonna see you soon online. Enjoy the experience. Thank you very much.